Are you ready for this week's digital marketing news? I'm Danny with Ignite Visibility, and I have some updates for you from Google, TikTok, YouTube, and more. So let's dive right in. Starting with some ChatGPT news, a recent study by Nective reveals that ChatGPT isn't just generating responses based on pre-existing knowledge. It's performing its own searches in 31% of prompts. These searches are longer and more detailed than typical Google queries, averaging 5.5 words. ChatGPT's queries tend to focus on local intent, product searches, and buying intent, which means SEOs now have more control over the information ChatGPT pulls. For marketers, this opens up a new opportunity to optimize content for AI search. Fresh, review-based, and comparative content is what ChatGPT seeks most, so focusing on these types of content can help your pages show up when ChatGPT performs a search. Chris Long, co-founder of Nective, calls ChatGPT a rapper for search engines, making AI search optimization the next big frontiers for SEOs. This is something that we here at Ignite Visibility have believed in since day one, staying ahead of trends and adapting to shifts in technology. As AI continues to influence the way users search and interact with content, it's essential for marketers to evolve their strategies to ensure they're not just optimizing for traditional search engines, but also for AI-driven search engines like ChatGPT. Google has just launched its Ads API version 22, bringing some major upgrades to help advertisers optimize and scale their campaigns faster and smarter than before. Notable features include generative AI for assets, allowing advertisers to automatically create text and image assets, drastically reducing production time. The smarter bidding strategies now come with time-segmented diversity metrics, offering insights into how bids perform across different times, improving efficiency. For Performance Max campaigns, there's improved support for reporting, image extraction, and enhancement. And if you're in the app campaign for installs game, there's now new bidding goals that will allow for more flexibility in scaling campaigns quickly. These updates require developers to update their client libraries and code, but don't worry, Google has released detailed guides to make the transition seamless. Google's also shaking things up with a redesign of its search ads. The classic sponsored label will now be grouped under a sponsored results heading. This change could have a significant impact on ad performance and ROI. Ads will appear as part of a more cohesive group, which may influence consumer behavior, shifting them from seeing ads as separate entities to recognizing them as a unified block. Next up, if you've noticed fewer clicks from Google Discover, there's an explanation. Google has introduced AI-generated summaries to Google Discover that provide quick, digestible preview of trending topics. These summaries aggregate content from multiple sources, offering users insights with minimal clicks. The feature is already live in the US, South Korea, and India, and it's poised to further consolidate user engagement within Google's ecosystem, potentially reducing traffic to external sites. In another shift towards AI-driven search, Microsoft has shared new guidance for optimizing your content for AI search visibility. The main takeaway is that AI search ranking is no longer solely about the page order, but more about which specific pieces of content get included in AI-generated answers. Microsoft recommends optimizing for content that is easily accessible and avoiding practices like hiding key information in tabs or relying too heavily on PDFs or images without alt text. TikTok has released a comprehensive guide to help businesses integrate AI into their marketing. This report provides 4 core solutions to leverage AI for ad creation, improving targeting, and maximizing campaign results. TikTok is guiding brands on how to build AI-powered ads while ensuring responsible and ethical use of AI technology. If you're already using TikTok in your marketing, this guide could be invaluable for making your campaigns more efficient and impactful. Google has made some notable changes to its SERP rankings based on evolving user behavior. In a statement from Google's VP of Search, Liz Reed, explained that users are now turning more to short-form video, forums, and user-generated content rather than traditional websites. This signals that marketers could consider prioritizing video content and UGC in their strategies to align with Google's shift to better meet user intent. Next up, YouTube has rolled out the Brand Pulse Report, a tool that uses AI to help advertisers measure how paid and organic videos impact brand searches. The report aggregates brand mentions and compiles new audience metrics, allowing brands to better understand the effectiveness of their YouTube campaigns. While this is currently available to select advertisers, expect it to be rolled out more broadly soon. You'll get some great insights from it. In more YouTube news, they've launched a Second Chances program for creators who have been terminated from the platform. If a creator has completed a 1-year waiting period, they can now file a request to be reinstated. However, this doesn't apply to creators who violated copyright infringement policies or creator responsibility guidelines. This could help previously terminated creators make a return, but only if their violations weren't severe or damaging to the YouTube community. For anyone on TikTok looking to increase engagement, posting more frequently seems to be the answer. A Buffer study found that posting 11 or more times per week can boost views per post by up to 34%. While posting frequently may seem daunting, starting with just 2 to 5 posts per week can lead to significant gains in visibility. So if you've been struggling with views, increasing your posting frequency might be the way to go. If you're in the beauty space, take note. Snapchat has released a report showing that 8 in 10 beauty buyers prefer to see informative content on social media before making a purchase. I know I do. Consumers are particularly looking for how-to content and immersive experience like AR and VR. The report also highlights the growing importance of product quality, with better ingredients and positive reviews being key to driving purchases. And for the last story of the week, Google's Performance Max campaigns now support vertical images for ads, optimizing campaigns for mobile-first experiences on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok. As vertical video continues to dominate, this new feature ensures that marketers can easily integrate vertical images into their campaigns, reaching mobile users in a format that's already popular on these platforms. It's an exciting time for marketers. Let's stay ahead of the curve and continue to innovate. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.